Is it time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Ford. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of July, 2024, our system has ranked Ford as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.4. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of 9.5%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately 0.79% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very wide and descending trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $9.67 be breached, it would signify a stronger decline in the stock's value. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 4.18% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 8.27% to an increase of 36.49%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 6.44% change over the next year, with potential returns between 2.47% and 53.93%. This equates to a price range of $10.35 to $15.55 after a year. Our latest daily update for Ford includes the headline: Ford's stock price ended at $10.10 on Friday, after losing nearly 0.3%. The Ford stock price fell by almost 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, decreasing from $10.13 to $10.10. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.01%, with a low of $9.97 and a high of $10.17. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 8 instances, resulting in a decrease of almost 10% for that period. Trading volume also fell on the last day, which is actually a positive indication since volume should align with the stock's movement. On that day, trading volume decreased by 23 million shares, with a total of 45 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $457,780,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $14.85, while the lowest was $9.49. Currently, the stock price stands at 31.99%, or $4.75, below the 52-week high, and 60.96%, or $15.77, below the all-time high recorded on January 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $25.87. Ford Motor Company is currently embroiled in multiple class action lawsuits and investigations by several law firms regarding potential violations of securities laws tied to its recent performance. Following a significant decline of 23% in the stock over the past month, investors are understandably concerned. The lawsuits, which cover a class period from April 2022 to July 2024, highlight investor dissatisfaction and alleged mismanagement or failure to disclose critical information by Ford's executives. In the short term, the announcement of these lawsuits could exert additional pressure on the stock price as uncertainty and negative sentiment grow around the company's legal challenges. As investors digest this news, we may witness increased volatility in Ford stock, potentially leading to sell-offs. Looking further ahead, If the investigations determine that Ford executives did mislead investors, the repercussions could involve financial penalties and damage to the company's reputation, ultimately affecting investor confidence and future stock performance. However, if Ford manages to address its warranty costs effectively and capitalizes on growth opportunities in segments like Ford Pro, there may be a chance for recovery. Overall, the legal issues are likely to eclipse any operational improvements for the time being. Investors should remain attentive as these developments unfold, continually assessing the potential risks and opportunities related to their investments in Ford. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned F a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned F an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned F a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned F an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned F an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Ford stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Ford. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and so far, it has risen by 4.02%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Ford stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $12.27. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $10.03. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall negative trend. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk since volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average presented a sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggested a buy signal 11 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also presented a sell signal 13 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 4 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Ford finds support from accumulated volume at $10.03, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a very wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 20 cents between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 2.01%. For the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.04%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Ford, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either a diminished expectation for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts are estimating earnings at 50 cents per share. It is vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ford. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $11.16. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Ford's first support level is at $10.03. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Ford from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of July, 2024, Cisneros Adriana conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of no derivative securities owned. On the 11th of July, 2024, Cisneros Adriana also conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of no securities owned. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford conducted an insider purchase of 4,386 shares of Class B stock, with a par value of 1 cent. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford made another insider purchase of 14,620 shares of Class B stock, with a par value of 1 cent. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford conducted an insider sale of 5,848 shares of Class B stock, with a par value of 1 cent. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 29.197. Overall, insiders purchased 6,791,149 shares and sold 3,592,940 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Ford stock a good buy? Currently, Ford exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of August, we anticipate Ford will open down by 2 cents, commencing trading at $10.08. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.